Hi, today I'm going to show you how to use the design expansion tool for Shopify and Etsy. This is one of my best-selling poster designs in my Etsy store, so let's add it to a few more products. To get started, I'm going to head over to my Gelato dashboard and select Stores in the left-hand menu. Then I'm going to enter my Etsy store and select the product I'd like to use, which is the Spring Blossom poster. Click the Expand button in the top right-hand corner, which will bring us to the product options that we can add our design to. Let's go ahead and select a t-shirt, a tote bag, and a phone case. Continue to the next step where we add mock-ups for the newly selected products. I like this option for the t-shirt, this one for the tote bag, and this one for the phone case. Next, we'll add product descriptions to each of the newly created products. To save some time before this demo, I've pre-written some of the descriptions using an AI tool, and I recommend you do the same. Then, we'll go ahead and change our pricing for each of the new products. I'd like to set the profit markup for my t-shirt to 80%, 50 for the tote bag, and 100 for the phone case. And that's it. Once you publish in your Gelato store, the draft product listing will come up in your Shopify or Etsy store. And from there, you just go ahead and follow the usual steps for publishing. Here you can see the products I've created live in my Etsy store. So go ahead and try out this tool for yourself. We would love to hear back from you with any feedback or questions. Happy creating!